We are in Cancun, Mexico at the Secret Divine Hotel. Now this suite is about 2,000 square feet and it's called the Master Suite Oceanfront. I'll show you why. So we have our living room area here wrapped around with storage and then full bathroom right here. Right across is a really lovely kitchenette, space for plenty of things. Come. You have the dining and lounge area with a cute feature that basically the TV is on this side, but I can easily turn it so that that living room can also see it. But look at the views. This unit is shaped in a U, so we take advantage of views on all three sides. It's just incredible. It's panoramic. It's amazing. Now look at the ocean. It's aqua. It's beautiful. But the best, the master suite bedroom. It's incredible. This TV actually can go down to the furniture. And again, look at this, windows everywhere. Look at the ocean. It's amazing. It's just amazing. Come. We have this great bathroom with 2 sinks, 2 shower heads. Look at this. And you can have direct access to the bath. Talk about taking a bath with a view. But the best part, wrap around balcony of almost 500 square feet. Look at this.